Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Callie.
Good morning.
Okay, here's my review of these tires. Okay, so we have the tube light tire, which is really light, but it's not very durable. It doesn't flex much, and the stem has broken off on me before. So let's weigh it in. This is for a 29er. Okay. We're at 100.4 grams. It's supposed to be ultra light.
Super light.
Yeah. So we got these Aerothan tubes that came in my new Canyon, and I said, hey, that looks pretty nice. They're actually, they're not latex, because latex will leak air. These are some type of rubber that's super light and more durable. And they say that these are actually more, better rolling resistance. So let's put that here on this scale. 90.3. That's with the band. Let's see how much that band weighs. Ooh, look at that. It's under 90 grams. So, lighter and more durable than the tube light. And about the same cost. Well, a little bit more. These are $45. And these are about 40. But I'll go with these because when you need a tube. The only other thing about these are really nice is the stem on these here. Super durable. These are definitely the winner. That's my review.